Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of KWR Details. Today we're going to teach a complete newbie how to wash, decon, and prep for 2022 Tesla Model Y for a 5-year ceramic coating. So you're going to start with your all clean, which is the yellow top there.
And just spray it around?
Spray the tires. Spray them good.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay.
If that's it, go ahead and use the silver, the magic wheel cleaner.
And this goes
spray in your barrels and on the face of your wheel.
So here?
Yep.
And inside?
And inside.
Okay. Ooh.
So go ahead and get the wheel brush.
This one?
Yep. Go ahead and
then
scrub
they
in
go
there.
In the...
Yep.
Okay.
There I go. Yep, make sure you're scrubbing the barrel good. Which is where that's where your brake dust and grease and stuff ends up. Is in that barrel.
All right.
Go ahead and get the clay towel out. Yep, put that back in there.
The clay towel?
Clay towel, yep. You go ahead and give that a scrub. Fold it in fours and give it a scrub. You can put some iron remover on it if you'd like.
That one was
Yep.
One of those?
Yep. Oh. They're both the same.
And then this goes
Just clean the face of the wheel.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
Not the tire part.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, you have all clean on the tire.
All right.
Oh, or this is white. See all that brown,
Yeah, it's awesome. Done?
Yep.
Okay. And then, ooh, I get to use the trigger.
Yep. Now, away from the car first. There you go. Now spray out your wheel wells.
Inside.
Yep. Get down there. No, your wheel wells up in here.
Oh. Ooh. That's color.
It is. Just keep your hand up. Keep your hand up. Keep your hand on it.
It's like my tail.
There you go.
Ooh, hold on.
There you go. Go ahead and rinse your wheel tire.
And the tire too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Whoa.
Don't forget inside. Scrub. There you go. Perfect. Now we can go.
And then the toothbrush.
Go ahead and scrub the toothbrush. The wheel brush, yeah. with that Volvo. Yeah, how long did you have that? Wheel wells first. Atta girl. And now we're using DIY Detail's Incredible Suds in a foam cannon to foam up the Tesla.
Do I spray the towel or the pot?
So, oh,
Okay.
so you do one spray on there, one spray on the funnel, and then no pressure. No pressure, just wipe it. Like you mean it, girl. Okay, there you go. Sometimes it gets, there you go. There you go. Okay. Like you mean it. There you go.
Side to side first?
Either or. It's on 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Go ahead and wipe it off, see how you did.
Whoa.
Pretty cool, huh?
Wow, look at that. It's brand new. That's amazing.
Up and down, side to side. you gonna get every scratch off? No. Your paint would be perfect? No. But it'll have a lot less scratches. There is no such thing. I don't care how brand new your car is. There's no such thing as perfect.
The ones that came right out. Look at that. They're all gone.
Yep.
The ones that were down here.
Yep. You guys had about 4 passes.
There's no like hairline scratches over here.
No. Ultimately, I decided to put on the ceramic coating. This is the DIY Detail 5-year ceramic coating. It was getting late, and it's difficult to show somebody who's never applied a ceramic coating how to apply it and watch for the flash on white paint. White paint is extremely difficult if you're a beginner. So once I get a darker car in to apply a ceramic coating to, I will be inviting Michelle back to help with that and show her how to install a ceramic coating. So, we're finished with our one-step polish and ceramic coating of the Tesla. Michelle, what were your impressions of paint enhancement?
I never thought, because it's only a 2022, I never thought something could make a newer car shine more. I am blown away at the shine and the gloss on the paint. It looks like it's wet, but it's not. And it's soft when you touch it. the feel on the car is completely different. I can't get over it.
Yeah.
I'm blown away.
Yeah. And you were quite nervous to touch that dual action polisher in the beginning, weren't you? The sander, as she called
The
it.
sander, the double sander. I was terrified. I've never, on a scale of 1 to 10, I am a solid 1 when it comes to knowing what to do other than washing your car in the driveway. This was a giant leap for me, but you're a really good teacher.
Thank you.
And I was really confident, especially by the time I got to the end, of how to do the steps to use it. And it made such a big difference. Like all those the little lines that you saw on the paint are gone.
Yep.
It's insane. Yeah.
There's a few scratches here and there that we couldn't get out, but we're not aiming for perfection. We're aiming more for preservation of her clear coat, which everybody should. There just is no such thing as perfection, in car paint. There just isn't. But I think you did a solid job, a very solid job, and it was fun hanging out with you today.
It was a lot of fun today. This was such a fun day.
Good.
Like, what a great day off.
Good. I'm glad. And now I have helping somebody learn to do paint enhancement, and I have, since I did a little bit of the paint enhancement to demonstrate, I now have paint enhancement on a Tesla under my belt. So I appreciate you bringing your car.
Of course.
So.
Of course. I loved it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This was a lot of fun.
You're welcome. I'm glad you've opted to be on my YouTube channel too.
This is the first YouTube channel I've been on.
You're gonna be YouTube
These
famous,
are big
girl.
steps for me today.
You're gonna be YouTube famous, girl.
I love it.
Thanks, everybody. We'll see you in another episode. Thanks, guys, for joining me on another episode of KWR Details. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified for when Michelle comes back.